So guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna check the alternator. Actually we are gonna see how to reinstall it. Here is the alternator of my smart 450 diesel car. I actually removed it because when the car was turned on I couldn't read 14 volts at the battery. So that means that the alternator was not working, because when the alternator is working, it's charging the battery with 14 volts. So I removed it, and actually I also disassembled it. Unfortunately, I don't have any video of that. What I did, I cleaned it because it was again full of oil, as all the other parts of my car. I put some grease in the bearings. And I checked also the brushings. They were more or less quite okay. So I reassembled it, and now I try to put it back and see if it works or not. So where the alternator sits in the car, I can show you. So the alternator sits here, exactly here. So the only way to put it is actually from the side of the car. So I have removed the wheel. You have to remove the wheel and remove part of the suspension. And basically what you do, you insert the alternator from that side, and then you connect it using one screw, which is this one. So with this screw you connect the alternator to its place. And then there is another screw, which is this one, which is connected to a slider, and you can use it to tension the belt. For what concerns the cables, so there are two cables. One is this one. So this cable is actually connected here to the starter motor, and here to the alternator. This goes down under the pipes. This is the thermostat. And then there is another cable, which is this one. This one has the connector, the plug, which goes here, and the other cable which goes here with the other one. This one goes together with this one. Actually, they both go on the back of the alternator. So let's start. So as you see here, I actually removed the wheel, but also this part here, for example, has been removed. So one of the problem now is that I cannot insert the bolt, specifically this one. I should insert this bolt here, but I cannot because of this. So we have to raise the engine up a little bit. The engine is actually not super heavy. You can also raise it by hand, you can see, but I'm gonna use a pneumatic system to raise it better. I don't know if you can see that now the screw is in place. So it was actually not going in. So what I will do is clean a little bit with sandpaper here, and then put some grease. I already cleaned it, so I can put the grease on this side and on the other one. Okay, let's try to reinstall it. Oh, finally, it's in place. I don't know if you can see. It's in place. So now we can lower again the engine. We can put the spare nut, this one. As you see, the cable have been connected. Here we have the plug and here the other two cables. So basically the alternator has been installed. So guys, now what is missing to do is to replace the belt and tension it by sliding the alternator. The alternator can rotate. And to keep it in place we will use this bracket here, which goes there. And then here there is this hole where we can adjust the orientation of the alternator to keep the belt tensioned. Here is the belt. Okay. That's very easy. That's also here. Also we have the water pump, by the way, if you need to replace it. So now to tighten the belt, there is a simple method. Basically, I don't know if you noticed, this is a Torx screw. So we have the bolt on the back, and here is the Torx. So we put an insert here, then with a dynamometer branch tool, we apply 45 Newton meters, and once it clicks, we tighten the belt, the nut on the back. Okay. So the alternator has been assembled, and now what is missing is to again put this and raise the motor up, and then put the wheel and test it. Probably I will test it before reassembling everything. So now I'm gonna reassemble all the other parts, and then there will be a video where I test everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.